everybody. So we're going to do some addition today. Specifically, we're going to do what's called dynamic addition, where you have to exchange for the next category up. And I know that typically we use golden beads in the classroom for this. However, since those aren't as easy to come by when you're working at home, I thought instead today we would use the stamp game for that work, because you can make your own stamps at home. I'm going to send your parents just like a little printout that has each of these on it so you can do it at home. So I thought this would be a little bit more accessible for us in these times. So let's go ahead and get started. So these are the two problems that we're going to do on this video. I know many of you have been working on this and many of you still need to practice it. So that's why I thought this would be the perfect time to do that. So let's take a look at our first problem here. Remember, the two numbers in an addition problem are called addends. So we're going to set up our top addend, and we're going to start over here at the units place. So we need to set out 6 units. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There we go. We have 6 units there. Okay, then we're going to pop over to the tens place, and we see that we need 9 tens. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Lay those out a little bit more nicely so you can at least see them all there, huh? Okay, so we have 9 tens. Then we're going to look at our hundreds place. We need 7 hundreds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then we have 2000s. See, we have 1 on our units, 10 on our tens, hundreds on our hundreds, thousands on our thousands. Now let's look at the bottom addend. We have 6 units again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think I'm going to move this right there. I think that's better. And then we need 5 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You see, I'm keeping my addends separate from, I'm keeping these separate with the material. And then I need 8 hundreds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then I need 1,000. Okay, we have our problem set out. So now when we add things together, we have to push things together. So I'm going to push all my units together, and we're going to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we have 10 units here, and we know that 10 units equals 110. So I'm going to put away these units, and I'm going to take out a 10. All right. And how many units do we have left? We have 2. So I'm going to write 2 under my units. Cool. Now let's go ahead and count all the tens, including the one we exchanged. We can't ever forget to take out what we need to after we exchange. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm going to take these 10 because 10 tens equals 100. I took out my exchange, and now I need to count what I have left over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to write 5 under my tens place. Now I'm going to count all of my hundreds, including the one that I exchanged. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to take my 10 hundreds and I'm going to exchange them for 1,000. Let's see how many hundreds we have left over after we do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to write 6 under my hundreds place. Okay, now we're just going to count all of our thousands. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2,796 plus 1,856 equals 4,652. Okay, so let's go ahead and do another one. So I'm going to reset my material by putting it back, and we're going to do, just slide that like that. We're going to do this second problem. So again, we have two addends, a top addend and a bottom addend. How many units in our top addend? 6. Again, apparently I like 6 units. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to slide this down. There we go. Now, we're going to move on to the 10s. How many 10s do we have? Oh, we have 9 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm going to set them out. You don't have to set them out as carefully as I do, but since we are filming, I thought that I would set them out nicely so you could see everything. Okay. There. Okay, now we have 700s again. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's funny. And then we have 3,000s. 1, 2, 3. All right, there's our top addend. Let's do our bottom addend. We need 5 units in our bottom addend. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, nope, just 5. Sorry. 5 units in our bottom addend. We have 6 10s in our bottom addend. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. And then 800s. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, okay. And then 2,000s. All right, so we have our addend set out. So we just need to push them together. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 units equals 110. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 equals one of these. So I'm going to put those away and take out a 10 stamp. So how many units do I have left over here? Just 1. All right, 1. All right, now let's do the same with our 10s, including the one we carried. Again, it's really important that you take out the one that you exchanged or carried. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, whoa, 9, 10. We know that 10 tenths equals 100 because 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 equals one of those. And we have 6 10s left over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to write that over here on my paper under my 10s place. Sweet, let's keep going. Now we're going to do the hundreds, including the one we exchanged. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We know that 10 hundreds equals 1,000 because 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000. Oh, look at that. We have 6 hundreds again. There's 6. And then we're going to add all of our thousands together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6,000. So 3,796 plus 2,865 equals 6,661. Okay? So what's really cool about doing the stamp game at home is if you want, you can actually make your problems as big as you want, because you can make 10,000 stamps and 100,000 stamps. You could even make million stamps if you wanted to. Just make sure you write the right number. You know, this says 1,000. If it was going to be 10,000, it would be 10 and then 3 zeros. So one more zero than that. So this is something that's really important to practice. Again, don't forget to take out your exchange. If you just put away and you don't take out, you're going to get the wrong answer, because you're not going to be able to, you know, add in your exchange with your other numbers. Okay? All right, guys, that's it. Pretty quick lesson. This is definitely something you're going to want to practice, and I'm going to be showing dynamic subtraction in a couple days. Okay? All right, guys, thanks. Have a nice day.